Welcome to CryptoChangex. This is Crypto Willis. I hope you enjoy this little journey as we together explore the best times to trade crypto. When it comes to understanding the best time to trade crypto, it's important to know when the market will be relatively quiet. The cryptocurrency market moves like a pendulum, swinging up and down with different momentum. Whenever a major decision is made by the world's leading countries or political figures, you can expect dramatic movements. With that understanding, we will assume today that you are avoiding trading on major news times. When are the best times to trade crypto for a quick profit? In general, the best time to trade is when there's a law on the market. A law can be easily identified by looking at a candlestick chart on a small time frame over a 24-hour span. Historically speaking, Tuesday to Friday will have the least dramatic movements and most predictable market movements. Of course, if you are an ambitious trader, the weekend also presents unique opportunities simply because the big industrial traders are off for the weekend. As a result, the market movements are not as fast nor as dramatic. As a trader, finding the best time to trade not only requires you to identify the optimal time for the markets to be quiet, but you will want to find a time that fits into your schedule. Trading is a fun, profitable way to earn extra money or even make a living. However, you must make sure that trading never becomes your master. Make it fit into your life. Let's get into the nitty-gritties of setting up a trade plan. Deciding on a time frame is the first thing that you want to notice. The first thing you need to do is decide on a time frame that you want to trade. Do you want to trade the daily or the weekly swings? Or maybe you want to trade based on purely technical analysis. Either way, my suggestion is for beginners to start trading on the longer time frame charts. Then as your experience with the markets increases, you will become comfortable with the shorter, faster moving charts. The primary component here is becoming familiar with the charts. When you have identified the primary time frame you will be trading, then you're ready to begin analyzing the best time of day to enter your trade. In this step, we begin to zoom into the smaller time frames on the price charts. As you move to smaller time frames, you will likely notice that there are spans of time where the candlesticks are much smaller and probably channel in a relatively close price range. As you identify these nuances of the cryptocurrency you are studying, you will generally find that these quiet times follow a typical pattern. Congratulations, because you are beginning to see the best times to trade for crypto profits. Once you have identified a quiet market, it is now time to start testing your strategy on your chosen coin and time frame. There are probably almost as many strategies as there are traders. However, there are a number of popular methods that I have used to take profits from the markets. Beginner traders many times are looking for a purely scientific strategy that removes all subjective evaluation. However, the reality is that everyone who becomes a successful trader has learned to read the market tea leaves, so to speak. Yes, it's critical to have a defined trade strategy, but I cannot stress enough that it is critical as well to get familiar with the market that you are trading. Just like operating equipment, driving a car, or performing a job, practice and repetition is the key to precision. That is why any trading coach will recommend that beginners take several weeks at a minimum trading on a demo account or what old school traders would call paper trade until you can consistently turn a profit. Once you have mastered your trade plan and can show a profit in demo money, then and then only should you consider investing your hard-earned money. And as always, never trade any more than what you can afford to lose. Seek professional advice before making your investment decisions. Then let me know in the comments below what time frame you decide to trade on. And as always, like and subscribe this video because it helps us to generate more informational content like this. Good luck to you and profitable trading.